Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. Family members, video 12. So be sure to see all the videos in this series. Okay, great. Let's start. Family members. Ask and answer. Who is she? She's my mother. Who is he? He's my father. Who is she? She's my sister. Who is he? He's my brother. Who is she? She's my grandmother. Who is he? He's my grandfather. Where are they? Where is my mother? She's at the market. Where is my father? He's at the cinema. Where is my sister? She's at the burger shop. Where is my brother? He's at the bookstore. Where is my grandmother? She's at the flower shop. Where is my grandfather? He's at the taxi stand. Conversation. Who is she? She's my mother. Where is she? She's at the market. What's she doing there? She is grocery shopping. Who is he? He's my father. Where is he? He's at the cinema. What's he doing there? He's watching a movie. Who is she? She's my sister. Where is she? She's at the burger shop. What's she doing there? She's having lunch. Who is he? He's my brother. Where is he? He's at the bookstore. What's he doing there? He is buying some books. Who is she? She's my grandmother. Where is she? She is at the flower shop. What's she doing there? She's getting some flowers. Who is he? He's my grandfather. Where is he? He's at the taxi stand. What's he doing there? He is catching a taxi. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all of my videos. And please check those boxes to get my posts. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thank you very much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.